Hey Diesel, what you doing? What you doing, Diesel? Having a good time out there? Okay, Diesel. You sleepy? You hungry? Wanna go outside? Wanna go, Daddy? Come on. You don't really wanna go, Daddy? You really do. You really wanna go to my dad? Don't you, Diesel? Hey, Diesel. Hey, guess what? Gotta tell you something. What I gotta tell you? This is a secret that I got. Tell you that only I know. Who that secret is? You a dog. Okay, Diesel? Look outside. Look outside. Look at that dog. Diesel, come on. Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Well, come on. Come on. Time for us to go. Wanna go? Wanna go somewhere? Wanna go? Wanna go outside? Look at that Diesel. Hey man, I was trying to go outside cause I don't need to do all that. Hey Diesel, shut up. Nigga. Just let me go. Look at that Diesel. Yeah, he's a fun looking dog. Hey. Look at him. Let the master be doing his work. Master, do his work. Okay. Okay, I wish I didn't record that now. Hey, Diesel. Diesel. Guess what? Sit. Now, pop. Give me a pop, Diesel. Give me a pop. Good boy. Jump. Want the stick? Want the stick? Want the stick? Jump, then. Jump, Diesel. Jump. Good boy. Good boy, Diesel. That's the life of a dog. That's the life of my dog right there. Wanna come in the house? Look at that Diesel. Come on, Diesel. Walk in the Diesel. Who got the Diesel? Life, the average life of a dog right there. The average life of him. Very perfect.